Perfect Embroidery Pro has many tools that let you view a design close up, framed in a hoop, with realistic looking stitching, and more. Let's take a look at the tools available. You'll find the view tools on the left toolbar. Let's click the zoom magnifying glass. When we left mouse click and drag a box, suddenly we're zoomed in to the embroidery design. Another way to zoom in or out is at the menu at the very top of the screen. In this instance, I'm going to go ahead and select to fit. On your mouse, you can, if you have a scroll wheel, you can scroll in and out to magnify and decrease the image on the screen. The pan tool is the little hand, and it acts just like a hand, lets you slide that image across the screen without disturbing any stitches. The ruler measures whatever you want to measure. You left mouse click and drag the line, and you'll notice as I drag, the size is illuminated in the small box. The 3D icon lets you view your beautiful stitches just as they would appear on fabric. Click it to remove it. The grid appears when you click on the grid icon and disappears when you click on it again. The stitches, when clicked on, it reveals the framework of the embroidery design, and when clicked again, shows all of the stitches in the design. The stitch ends icon, when you click on that, and I'm going to zoom in so you can see all those little small circles, they are needle penetrations in the design. You can learn an awful lot about digitizing by looking at this, and you can also make fine-tuned editing when the stitch ends is revealed. Commands shows commands that are in the embroidery design. In this beautifully digitized design, there's just one command, and it's a trim at the end of the design. Now, if you need to fit it in a certain hoop, you can click on the hoop icon, and a menu with dozens of hoops appears. And if you don't find the hoop that you have on there, you most certainly can type in a new one by selecting New, and we'll do that right now. And let's go ahead and put a new size in there. We'll do 12 by, let's say 18. Wouldn't that be a nice size hoop? And say OK. You can name it whatever you'd like. And then when you click OK, there's your new hoop. To remove it, just click on the hoop icon again. The more you work in Perfect Embroidery Pro, the more comfortable you'll become with each of these tools.